Now that we have it all trimmed, we're ready to finally flip it right side out. So I'm going to go into the opening. You can reach across or push it through, kind of depend, and I just kind of grab the other side, and then I'm going to pull it out. Next thing you want to do is take a point turner, and you want to make sure you go along all the edges and the corners and poke them out. Okay, next we are going to go and press this. Now, when you press this, the idea is that we really want that seam on the very edge. So as I go around my fabric, I just make sure that I kind of like pinch that and pull it out. And then I go with my iron and flatten that seam. The other thing, you can go ahead and pin this. The other thing is since you have it turned, you shouldn't have your straps caught up in your sewing. They should be nice and flat coming out, and they shouldn't be caught anywhere. If you have a seam caught, then you can take it to the teacher and they will show you how you can fix that before moving on to the next steps. Because if you don't fix it now, it becomes harder to fix and you have to do lots of extra unpicking. So I'm just going to work my way around the apron, flattening those seams and pulling them out to the edge. On your opening side, you want to, where my opening is, I want to fold it in on itself as if it was sewn. So it should just be lined up with the rest of the edge, and then with those raw edges tucked inside. Okay, so now I have my seams pressed all the way around so they're nice and flat and pulled out to the edge.